Ghana for Masayaba. This is part 2. And tina me say 2016 na me di JM book and I me di chini and I me chira monfo and yuma JM eye. Ama MPP supporters I ka chire say JM ayade na so e kan ne dooso. Omsi JM wa yade pa na so ye ka no mmeme. Nti samere no ka ye che Ghana ka obi akita 35 million old cedis, that is 3,500 Ghana cedis. And I say, MPP supporters, MPP penny for, Omuna HL supporters, what to talk, what to see. Now, imagine throw Ghana has and Mera Durse, yet Tiomoto. Omega Chile say, Rollis AM put to Juma Champ President Kufo because Rollis Eche Wokunjaso. Mr. Ramo, and yet, Emre and Nipa here, they am put to Juma, a sika. When you're 20 years, mpo ewo konwa iso na wanyeska wontimi nyehwe na ma wanyeska na say 4 years a obetimi asefom na wonpuntu djuma eda so koso ena wo hwe Rollis ni president Kufo president Rollis anko hipek president Kufo ko hipek Rollis bobusia 2.7 billion dollars president Kufo bobusia 9.5 billion dollars eya kan Rollis de no moho enan Rollis si free konwa so na ye taxes 11 president Kufo be sifre kwanya so na 21 Rollis fuel price 65 Ghana pesos sikana nde we be top your temiansa no ena na edi top petrol gallon president Kufo be sifre kwanya so 950 pesos there's a president Kufo gallon baako e beto Rollis gallon dunu now a buying per scan tema just a petrol prices or 2 petrol price mo ena wanye skapa enti sa enema enum yi ana na atwato Rollis economy na $4 billion president Kufo be sifre konyesa na economy na agro to $16 billion Rollis nipa is just about 10 million somewhere 50 million president Kufo abraso 28 million definitely taxes abane beje be Rollis there and take was president Kufo putu juma chen Rollis now mo decide throw and that Toronto has gone through they've gone to sleep because NDC for niminyansa hombe yi omo fi Toronto mo that is here and the president Kufo was say putu juma chen Rollis president Kufo Rollis secondary school 642 president Kufo 0 we say affordable houses and as need flats the whole country president Kufo 0 5,000 Seglemi housing was 30 years 2001 7 years went to me and joined the 4 years SC over 20,000 affordable houses Rollis SC University me as president Kufo 0 Rollis SC 10 Polytechnic president Kufo 0 Rollis SC 12,000 basic schools primary ni JH president Kufo that's 1,300 Ogo kan another strong besa can say social interventions Mr. President Kufo social interventions awoye nyina NDC 2 bae omo ye nyina tre mo bie mu omo san ka se omo beye yensuo nyina omo beye yakwan nyina omo beye ya light nyina omo beye Ghana bibia abra omo tua single spine salary President Kufo tua single spine salary NDC 2 anko hipek na so omo ye president Kufo social interventions nyina esa beye Ghana ye infrastructure nyina so president Kufo 4 years no 8 years no odi eden wako hipek no odi eden krono nko omo bom krono na omo diskare kuma bi ede beye enema free ma na mani agege entro omo sa edi sesia meka se se wode Akufo-Addo performance infrastructure ene nema edi kototo JM omo se JM ewie 8 year term just JM mfie nan no etoa atamels die so enti mayemfa Akufo-Addo mfie mienu mfie miensa ana mfie nan imputu djuma ana adwuma awaye edi kototo NDC mfie wocho adwuma awaye the senti NDC for kasa wo baye campaigner omonka atamels achievement John ko achievement omonka that is not even enough Mr. Akufo-Addo di 2 years per abobusia 80 billion Ghana cedis 80 billion Ghana cedis Sabusia na NDC abana etwa mu di 8 years boy no Akufo-Addo di mfie mienu pe ebo sabusia no Na ade na obetime aboy busa ye bo 8 years no within 2 years. Na wontime nya adwuma ye 8 years no. My and found got to jail because Jemmy and your few watch. What boy jail busia mohomohomian son? And a Jem at Tamis busa, more bosabusa mohomohomian. And I must say, my and found got to a quasasem. And young men a diagma, a sika. And to 1 year size scanner was over to me, ja, and put Jumacro change, Jem, wouldn't you? And my own who says, I'll put Juman a cosson. And the MPP, or money, my brewer Ghana. Oh. And in 2016, na me kanya John Aye. Na me the pitch book no chira. Once NPP omunye book because they don't do infrastructure. And this year green book, Atamis ye need Roll she need Kufo Koraba ye no blue book. Unkofo buy omunya da because they didn't know my. Until 2016, na mo NPP for mo ka chira say John Aye de na mbom ye ka ene dawson. Fine, yet here. Much rare say a check Ghana car or be a benya 35 million old CDs. Enti Baumia eka chere say one who ye juma or Bank of Ghana enti ye di 2 million or more. One who omunim baby Ghana sika nyina wo to omuko kujia ba omuko bobusia na omobaye Ghana yi. Sisi amoba mamu mu no. Sika mwanya toa magia and krenso nyamenim monim kwanya mo fasi gi toa pa MPP omunyu kwanya mo fasi gi toa mindada sika president kofo benyaye rolis toa president kofo no toa revenue we generate anya busa wabo revenue president kofo generate 10 times that of rolis. Revenue nanado o generate ana onya sesia ndisi aban fie nwocho no mohu du me kura meka say duo no 20 times na me kire wo oil fields na miensa na bako pe ena na operate because bako na ye no Cote d'Ivoire ewo court case ewo ho until there was injunction on it na tabo da so. Bako so accident esi helicopter bi twi mo ama eno so ye suspend na ye ntu oil wo hobium na bako pe ena na ehwegu economy no mu enti oil fill bako pe ena John se odi be ye Ghana kwan nyina odi be ye Ghana suye nyina odi be ye Ghana light nyina eno no busi a wabo ena taxes a omuje wa Ghana mo ba ya kuvo do ba ya win case no bako no ya kura wi enti si a oil first no oil no hwia na ehwegum oil field miensa and akufo do abafa ya catcher so mombra mbebu oil sika no ho akonta o me so momba 3 times ya invite on parliament o mamba pacho tin amokofa ba tin and they akola dani mami yenkura otua tax obe bie bank account agise ukofa uko register tin agise wo tin number obeje wasase ho krata agise wo tin number. Tin number next say this is what your taxes and there 90% of the population are paying taxes. Tin nkuanti. Anti tina mo diabano munye sika papa sika no wen. Mo ba catch say year of return I generated about $6 billion. Sika no wen. Paperless but me ba catch say within 6 months na generated about 600 million Ghana cedis. Into 4 years paperless sika away. Mobile John Dramani mama contract more renegotiate if it is you grab a catcher so we renegotiate Charlotte Osei contract I generated about $600 million. Abayi be catcher say we save Ghana about 19 billion Ghana cedis upon renegotiating John Dramani mama's contract. Size can win. Galam say Mwaji ena mo tuo and the NPP mpanyifo ebu gold chesle queens ama omene omoda gold kene ye Japan bag full gold anyara ma obi kofa enfambre no kene Japan kro na we ye dede no say ball ya mpase mano no wono watimi anya gold full bag ena yuri fi gold no ase wontimi onka den akufo de ne ne yonkofo achimfo no omon so nka den nti gold na mo tuo ye ba ba ebu idap China for no crossing nsuo na mo say gold da river nsuo na ase na mo blast the coil aban ni beba no so na mo de ko MPP ba ya mu hu line no omo ko fa company bi ba say mo betu gold o Ghana nsuo nyina ase omo mba ya mane contractor ni share say ye adwuma na e ko interview na o ka say wo betu gold e wo nsuo ase no aye hard e o bi say yes wo mba drage wo mba yi anwia wo nsuo na se galamsey asensuo no ti wo be ye ne yi na se wo betu gold ase ana oye edi wo se wan kasa bi omo di fa omo se wo be ye Ghana nsuo yi enenti na echire nsuo na omo so omo kura no afi na asay more because omo to gold wo nsuo na ase 4 years scan we eyi mo betu taxes ewo ho mo tutum taxes and crofo betu import duties importers be ka kire say car nanka wede 30 million ebeyi 3000 Ghana cedis ago the buy ye de 1.2 billion and ekle obi ni be ka kire say we talk about 4 billion obetua import duties 2 billion we say what kind of country is this import duties are kosoro demurage akosoro bibia akosoro 4 years as can we talk task talk task na ye 20 pesos and NDC buy the bar 60 pesos musu wo mo tumu 200% mo be tumu ko 90 pesos musu NDC ne dika tumu NDC 60 pesos no eno na musu wo de buy Ghana kwan nyina Ghana nsuo nyina Ghana light nyina ene na ekeka ho universities hospital mo si mo buy ya 90 pesos na mo 100% na mo de be kan ho no eno ne 60 pesos na da so work wura mumu no modi ye de sa de we make kan wa sama de be che na o matiso what is kura is still more than the 60 pesos sika no modi ye de tax fufuro mo de be kan ho ende ye nka tax fufuro new cars luxury cars tax ba ene ne ekeka ho mobile more printing new currencies 5 cedis mienu 50 Ghana cedis more tracy join de nyina achi ni nyina hye atwa mu de abetu mo atwa 100 cedis 200 cedis na ye nim ne ntia mo ani abre a mo printing new currencies because mo pesika nipa ba ku dem ya package sika to say Bank of Ghana nipa ba ku dem ta sika mo atwa MPP mo ni sika kura bo de mo de ye den nkorfe ko opposition 8 years pepepe na come side wom fe mo no me be di mo chi sa MPP sika beberebe a mo sika mo de kwan fuel price NDC abide fie nwotwe etumu 70 pesos na che say afi bia mutu be say 80 omutu 70 cedis I beg your pardon. Let's just afibia mutu be say 80 pesos. 80 pesos afibia. Na 80 pesos na mutu mu afibia no. Eno na omode se omode be ya kwa nyina. Eno ne akai omo omode be ya light nyina. Power de omo generator man e boro so. Omo be sisi 220 secondary school university miensa nya keka ho. Mo aba Afiba ko pepe mo to fuel mo 6 cedis 20 pesos in 2017. 2017 yes. From 9 cedis from 16 cedis 50 pesos to 200 to 22 Ghana cedis. Na je say afiba ko pepe ntumu na mutumu no eno na end se fie nwotwe na eya yepe. Anka nya commercial drivers na ye demonstration anka mo betumu like NDC. Sa ntumu no sika no ewe. Sa ntumu sika ne ewe he mo ye mo increase minimum capital for banks so mo betua 4 trillion ena mo de koye se ameka se Ghana microfinance even momo MTN mobile money for nyina sa ko register restaurants top bars business akese nyina wo Ghana nyina asa ko renew am licenses ana mo tua sika maamo we me ni aban amamu kakra me mahunu no na sika mo ajeje ye wunsa mo ko bie officer mo ton contract PPA mo ton ama nas no manase eko video mo edibai sa sika nyina mo ye de nti aban we akuba da ban we revenue a generate in just 4 years. I end this year by 8 years na etwa mo no aduenu 20 times. Busaid or bomb or minu. Or more scanner a year then. Secondary school, shame and see. Or go see 2 unit classroom, brother. I just say, secondary school 800. And the MPP supporters say Jimmy for and I'm say MPP. I cover the C 800 secondary school. Ghana secondary school in 800. Now your sister 42. And I joined so didn't cover the 2 and the barber cajon. Nini now so into me and CNV. And the Ghana secondary school do 700. Da ben akubo the basic 800 second o see classroom blocks and I know your expansion by bia males the 3 months and I will see dormitories the whole country to accommodate 4-year SHS no and today na mama ye and si busia moho mienu amabo and is busia 8 years moho ni ambo boy sika ma generate more than 20 times. Secondary school back Kumensi, hospital back Kumensi, airport Monsi, she affordable house nothing. Oh my God, just a 200 affordable 200. Sikabe Bebewe, Abra John SC over 20,000. Is your she light, she generation, she and Tiscano MPP, what do you call him? I will be back.